G'day guys, Lowrance Bass Pro Dean Silvester here. By now you should be all fully aware of the fish reveal update and very keen to get it. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily update your unit by using your phone hotspot. So firstly, you need to establish a connection on your phone. Simply slide up on your phone, hold down that section, personal hotspot, just tap that. Now establish a connection in your unit. Wireless, connect to a wireless hotspot, my phone, connect, say down the bottom of your screen, connected to hotspot, Dean Silvester's phone. When there's a new update available and you connect to the internet, it should pop up on your unit saying there's a software update available, do you want to download it? For the purpose of this exercise though, I'll say no so I can show you where you can find it. So go into your menu, into settings, go to system, go to about. It'll pop up here saying software update available. You can also find it under support, check system for updates. So it should come up with a warning under update available to ensure you have an SD card in the unit. So I'm going to chuck a 16 gig in there. You only need one big enough to obviously handle the update. So this update is 140 meg, 2 gig card gets you out of trouble pretty easy. With your SD card in, you'll see now it's given you the option to press download. So now if you want to check the status of your download, go into files, so go into transfers, there's your status of your download. So the download's finished, you get a little pop-up that asks you if you want to restart your unit. So I'll restart it now. Whilst it's installing this update, it's very important not to turn it off and don't take your memory card out of the unit. Now that your unit's gone through the update, simply take the old updates off your SD card. Now to check your unit's up to date, go into settings, in the system section, about, there should be nothing here, go to support, check system for updates, up to date HDS Carbon. So with the new update, you'll notice a couple of really cool things. Fish reveal, which combines your chirp sonar and your structure scan in one. Secondly, this is on the carbon units only, you'll notice the high visibility colour scheme that's available now. You'll notice a couple of other changes with the layout with the audio bar sitting to the side now rather than on the bottom. But lastly, connected with CMAP, there's a new easy routing function as well as an auto routing. So enough talking about the update, time for me to get on the water and check all this out. See you on the water.